So this is the amazing backyard of my listing at 3419 Cessna in Redding. This is a standalone spa that has seats and drink holders, colored light, less than a year old. Palm trees for ambiance. And then the beautiful pool. It's nice and hot today. It'd be awesome to take a swim. Got a barbecuing patio for sitting out, barbecuing, enjoying with friends. Everything is pristine, immaculately kept. Nice large deck overlooking the pool. Morning coffee. Again, this is 3419 Cessna. If you'd like to schedule a private showing of this home, please feel free to give me a call at 530-227-5968, or you can view this as a featured listing on my website at www.kristenmenu.com.